Hello guys, I am Devanshi Aggarwal. I got placed in KPMG in August 2021. I'd like to thank Rishabh sir, Soumya ma'am and whole team of Aptitude Baba for making this possible for me. Before joining the center, I was really confused about how to prepare for the interviews and clear various placement selection rounds. But within very first few days of my joining, Rishabh sir made me confident enough that I'd be able to crack whatever company I was aiming for. The way Rishabh sir has designed the whole curriculum is just spectacular. What makes Aptitude Baba different from the other centers is that they're not only focused on the aptitude and the reasoning part, but they also put an equal effort in brushing up our communication skills, presentation skills for the interviews, and of course our resume writing skills. If you're attentive enough in his classes, I can guarantee you that you don't have to go back home and attend any other interview programs. His interview questionnaire consisted of almost every possible question that an interviewer can ask. The best thing that I liked about Aptitude Baba was their wholesome environment. Rishabh sir and Soumya ma'am never treated me like their student. They have always treated me like their own people. From dropping me back home late nights after the exams to opening up the center early morning to clear my doubts, they made sure I feel perfectly at home. I can be nothing but grateful to them for making this such stressful period so easy and enjoyable. I'd recommend you all to join Aptitude Baba as soon as possible. Thank you.